Okay, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. For today's lab, I just want to give a brief information. How do you want to deal with uh, your lab session for lab number 2? So this is our second week. So your task is actually the client server in local environment. In other words, we want to install XAMPP, okay, in your PC or laptop. So hopefully you bring your own PC or laptop, so that is going to be easy for you to use XAMPP later on. So the objective of this lab, okay, at the end of this lab, students will be able to understand the process of client-server communication in web development process and know how to install web server, database, and at least one programming language. So in this XAMPP, what uh, I repeatedly tell last week, okay, the web server is Apache web server. We are going to use a MySQL database and one programming language such as PHP. So it's a very basic step-by-step guidelines. Okay, you need to know what is a XAMPP. Okay, and then to install XAMPP, okay, you need to download it. Okay, I already instruct you to download the installation last night. Okay, and there is a also available a previous version or the older version of XAMPP. Okay, so I would like to highlight the version, the older version and the current version. The older version is very stable compared to the new one. Okay, it's up to you to install which one. Okay, if you find that the new version will have a problem, okay, you just uninstall and then install back the older version. So there is a link for previous version. So you download it, go to the website and download it, and then just a very simple uh, click-through process. Okay, we just follow this and okay, this one. Okay, number 5. You should avoid installing XAMPP to C program file. Okay, okay, you need to select the location, for example, in C or D. Okay, what I'm suggested to you is just uh, in my computer. Okay, I create a XAMPP folder. Okay, and then everything is need to install here. So that means it is for me is at D and then the folder XAMPP. Okay. All right. You just follow step by step. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing that you should aware. Okay. If you have a multiple drive, for example, instead of C, so it is available for you to install to D. Because whatever happened to your operating system, such as Windows, is not going to you're not going to lose your content in XAMPP. Okay, so once you're ready to install, you just follow step by step until okay this one okay, when you start the control panel, okay, like this, this is mine. Okay, so you need to start. This is for the Apache web server, and then this is the MySQL. Both of these server is already started. Okay, I may stop it, and then you just click to start the server. So that means your server is active. Okay, if you stop that, that means your server is down. So you cannot do anything. I mean the website is not working. Okay, so I will show this later on, and then that's it. Okay, okay, this is the address, the address for the local host. We have a URL, HTTP localhost, and then we have HTTP 127.0.0.1. This is the IP address for localhost. Okay, what I want you to do is you create a folder personal, and then you upload your website, and that's it. And then you need to submit the screenshot in a bit, I mean, a single page of report stating your work and your understanding of on XAMPP, and what is the client server in local environment, and a screenshot of your personal web. Okay, submit and author under individual activity. Okay, basically that's all for your lab. I just want to demonstrate them. Okay, once you already start, it's going to be give you the green like this. Okay, mine was version 3.2.4 control panel. It's in 2019. It's quite old, but it's fundamentally it's about the same. Okay, so where this htdocs? Okay, let's see D, and then you go to the XAMPP folder. So we have all of this. Okay, and then you go to htdoc. Okay, I have a lot of folder here. Okay, and then this is the folder that you need to create a personal. Okay, and then you type, I mean, you upload, no, you just copy this here. Okay, let's see what is the content of this. Open with notepad. Okay, simply like this. Alright, which is not good. You need to have a put HTML, for example. Okay, and then close HTML. Sorry, and then you have like a body, and then slash body. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, let's see which one I want to use. Alright. What is this? Okay, this one. Let's try localhost. Oh, sorry. It's not up yet. HTTP localhost. Okay. And then you go to slash personal. See, this is the output already lab 2. So you maybe get the dashboard. So you're going to have this. This is the index pre-configured. So I just name it to another file to index dot what old maybe, or I change it to a different folder. Okay, then basically that's it. Okay, you just go to the personal, so you screenshot this and then submit with the information that I need, such as this one. Your work and your understanding on XAMPP, client server in local environment. Okay, this client server in local environment, or the client server communication, you must know everything about this. Okay, you must know which one is the client, which one is the server. Okay, for the local environment like this, okay, your server is inside your PC. Okay, if it is stopped or it is down, so the server is not um, the server is not working. Okay, for example, let's say I stop the Apache web server, okay, with the MySQL server also, and then I refresh see, the size can be reached, okay, cannot be reached. Okay, let's try another thing. Start back, and then we replace it with the IP address 127.0.0.1, and that's it. It is the same thing, right? The localhost is the domain name, and the IP address is 127.0.0.1.